Hey everybody, Scorpion here. So we're going to do a refrigerator tear down. This is a single unit, just fridge. It's not a fridge and freezer combination. It's upright. So we're going to tear this down, show you what's up with it. Do we know what brand it is?
Right up there, I can see.
It's a brand up here. Hold on.
One more, mate.
There it is. If you can see it. That's the brand. So y'all stick around.
Rock bottle on the track, boy.
Move, move. But I want to be in the picture.
Pressure's on that.
I know.
Expecting a lot of tread down there.
The new unit's going to be the least amount of beauties in there. Snoopy? Get out of the way. Wait. Upon inspection, there's a damage in the coil, so there's no gas in it. One reason why it don't work, and they bought a 1-year-old refrigerator.
Year old. Quit.
And there's a damage on the coil. Look at that, nothing. There you go, wannabe, nothing.
Trying to keep all the oil from pouring out on the poor little pup's head down there.
Oh, get oil on her, yeah.
We got somebody wants some camera time today.
Yeah, she wants camera time.
Standing underneath where we're working. We all scared we're gonna drop something on her, and she just like climbs up underneath there.
Yeah, give it to me. She don't care. That pup don't care. Alright, well. Fun part. You want some grape? I was asking if you wanted a grape. She wants to sniff everything. You got the bolt cutters, where's the other one?
Honestly, I don't know.
Oh my heavens. You did not throw my bolt cutters. I say mine, ours.
There you go.
Okay. Move off top. There we go. A little bit of copper. Alright, Puff, you gotta move out of the way. Move! Wait, the door's gonna fall on. Fall on, flip it back over.
Door's going what?
Move! Please, dog. Move. There we go.
It got one roll.
Well, the door's open, so when you go to try to drop it off the truck, you're gonna get hit. Alright. Your famous last words. Move, Bella. Move! That was alright. Cool. Bring you guys over here. Put you on the. Can you see all right? Can you see? Getting dark all of a
Can you
sudden.
see that?
Just make great free storage bins.
That's
Put on your,
right.
put on your, what am I tripping on now? Put on your workbench. Yep. Okay. And if those, oh,
Careful of the glass.
can't take you anywhere.
Me and glass don't seem to get along anymore.
Hard to say that one. But these right here, no, mind you, if they're in good condition, check them out on eBay on sold comps, and you'll be surprised. It's not plastic trash, as some of you think.
Just back them up so you can see a little bit more. It landed on my toes.
Oh, is that what happened? You,
Yeah.
you got steel toes on or something?
No, just bones. I ain't gonna lie, it hurt.
Oh my goodness, this guy in glass, beware. Oh, almost fell over. Take it easy, watch my head, watch my head. Sorry for the noise.
Star bits in there for that cover.
What, you might pause that. I'll do it in editing. I gotta get this.
So y'all enjoy the break. We'll be right back as soon as these words from our sponsors.
All right, hope your popcorn's ready. We're back. We got a Scorpion's favorite assistant down there, supervising. You supervising, pup?
Somebody got to supervise me so I don't break more glass.
That's right. You get in. So what are we taking this panel off for?
Coil in the back.
Oh, hopefully it's copper, not aluminum.
Guarantee it's aluminum.
Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised I took that one out at that angle.
Need extension?
Yep. Yep.
I'm gonna telephone you on the cameraman, I'm sorry. I'm new with this. That's a long extension. Aluminum. There you go. Aluminum rad. A little bit of copper coming back off it. Some wires. And I don't know what this is. Looks like a solenoid. Oh. Got too many things in my hands. Give her a tug. And you hit the people again.
I found it!
A fan, that's it.
Let's defrost.
Mm-hmm. Watch your fingers, you ain't got no gloves on, be careful. Them rad will cut you.
More to cut.
You're supposed to get close on that with the pliers and pull out that copper.
Hopefully.
And that's how fast it is to strip a freezer.
For us old broke folks.
Oh,
Wonder if these are
the,
big enough.
you got the kitty pliers out, huh?
I got the
Oh
big
my
boys.
Goodness. What are you talking about?
Yeah, we'll have to find some pliers. I don't have any idea.
On the workbench, of course. 2 hands and yank. Hey. Oh, I got smacked. Man, you're dangerous. Maybe go from the other side. Come from the back. Yeah, that's right. That baby. Close the door. Well, here, watch yourself. We got slow-mo on this thing? You know, we like slow-mo. You got it. It's gonna tilt, let it go. Ba-boom, baby.
You can take all the stainless off, right?
Yeah. How much am I getting them paid again?
Oh, you didn't leave a whole lot back there. I might be able to get a hold of that little nub. That thing ain't gonna come out easy.
I mean, trim it as close as you can and be done with it.
Yep, it's done.
You know, copper's not $5 a pound, so it ain't worth it.
All right,
We're done.
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah, it's just breaking down all the little stuff. Get it all cleaned up.
Ooh, it's crazy, man. All right.
Till next time.
Like, share, and subscribe.
See ya.
Anything final words, pup? Nope.